So our next question, so match list 1 and list 2, name of the geographers and name of the country, name of country. So Alexander von Humboldt from Germany, and Ellen Churchill Sample from USA, and Peter Haggett from UK, and Jean Bruns from France. So our next question, urban environmental degradation is caused by various factors. So urban environmental degradation is caused by SPM, suspended particulate matter, correct, polluted water, it's correct, and carbon dioxide, it's correct, and vehicular emission, okay. So all are correct. Carbon dioxide, polluted water, okay, all are affected. Vehicular emission and suspended particulate matter, okay, all are affected. So next question, an increase in urban population takes place at a rate much faster than the rural much faster than rural population, because large number of people migrate to urban centers. तो यहाँ पर देखिए population large increase now in urban population जो बढ़ रहा है takes place at a rate much faster than rural area से ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है urban area में. तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि large number of people migrate to urban centers में वो migrate करते हैं. 23rd, the most important creation criteria for classification of towns का जो main criteria क्या है ना, population. साइट नहीं है, फंक्शन नहीं है, सेव नहीं है, पॉपुलेशन इज द मेन फंक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए हाई एंड ग्रेजुअली डिक्लाइनिंग फर्टिलिटी ऑफ ओवर 34,000 and is sharply reduced mortality rate of over 15% 15 per thousand is characterized of demographic transition is of last stage. It is because declining fertility and declining fertility over 30 and 15 per thousand characterized by mortality rate is 15. So it is last phase of the demographic transition. It is mainly seen in Japan and northwestern Europe, western Europe. तो वहाँ पर हमने सॉरी इस डेमोग्राफिक स्ट्रक्चर को देख पाते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट देखिए 25 का, व्हेन द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ऑफ एन एरिया इज ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू डिवीजन ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन बाय द टोटल एग्रीकल्चर एरिया, इट इज टर्म्ड एज. टोटल पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी को कोई भी एरिया में उसका इज ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू, जब हमने उसको डिवीजन करते हैं टोटल पॉपुलेशन बाय टोटल एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, तो उसको हमने क्या कहते हैं ना, एग्रीकल्चर डेंसिटी नहीं कहते हैं, इसको हमने क्या कहते हैं ना, फिजियोलॉजिकल डेंसिटी. टोटल एग्रीकल्चर एरिया मतलब टोटल पॉपुलेशन बाय द टोटल डिवीजन ऑफ टोटल पॉपुलेशन बाय टोटल एग्रीकल्चर एरिया, so equals to physiological density, not agricultural density. North Atlantic Ocean routes is the world's most important route because there are developed nations on both sides, so it is the important. B is the answer. All the developed nations belongs to in this part. And 27, which one of the following is not related to plantations agriculture? Which of the following not related to plantation agriculture? Soybean is not a plantation agriculture. Now you give an answer, assertion and reason. First is Weber's theory hinges on transportation cost but ignores the fact that freight rates may not always increase in indirect proportion to the distance. So Weber's theory hinges क्या बोल रहा है ना, on transportation cost, but transportation cost के बारे में बोल रहा है, but ignores क्या रहा है, the fact that freight rates may not always increase. Freight rate जो increase नहीं होते all time in direct proportion to the distance का मतलब इसके साथ जो अनुपात है उसका ऊपर वो नहीं बढ़ता है. Not always increase in direct proportion to the distance. Freight rate all time नहीं बढ़ते, ठीक है, ये भी सही है. वेबर बोल रहा है and the freight rates however may not be similar for raw material and finished goods. देखिए freight rates may not be similar नहीं होते for raw material और finished goods के लिए. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, and दोनों ही बात सही है. Both A and R are correct, and are correctly explains to A. Next question. Which of the following is a large scale map? It is mainly 1 is to 25,000. It is a large scale map. And small scale map is 1 is to 2,50,000. No, यहाँ पर 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, 1 is to 10 lakh is a small scale, and large scale map is 1 is to 25,000. So the best suited soil for cotton cultivation is regular soil is the important for cotton cultivation. So यहाँ पर assertion and reason के बारे में बोलना है. देखिए assertion में देखिए virgin soil newly cleared of forests account for highest yield of coffee. Virgin soil, it's correct, and coffee is a soil exhaustive crop. So both are correct. Both A and R are correct, and R is correct. Explains to A. Cultural landscape so क्या शो करते हैं ना. कल्चरल लैंडस्केप शोज इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स को दिखाते हैं, कैसे इम्पैक्ट फैल रहा है इकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स के ऊपर. कल्चरल लैंडस्केप दिखाते हैं इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स, नॉट अदर्स. सी इज द आंसर. Which of the following districts dominated by tribal population? It is Bastar, dominated by tribal population. And the primitive people who live in Kalahari Desert are called Bushmen. So यहाँ पर tribal population belongs to dominates, and it is Bastar, not Karnal, not Rohtak, not others. Mainly Bastar. And यहाँ पर देखिए Kalahari people belong to Kalahari, the primitive people who belongs to Kalahari belongs in Kalahari Desert are known as Bushmen. And देखिए 35 का, which one of the following has no caste in the scheduled category? So Pondicherry, no caste in scheduled category. So which of the Indian states has the maximum number of common borders with other Indian states? Which of the following Indian states has the maximum number of common borders with other Indian states? I think it is with Chhattisgarh. Yeah. So यहाँ पर देखिए थोड़ा सा ऑप्शन तो अच्छा नहीं है. देखिए छत्तीसगढ़ यहाँ पर होगा. अगर यूपी था तो यूपी होता, तो छत्तीसगढ़ होगा. एंड वेस्ट बंगाल नहीं होगा, कर्नाटक नहीं होगा, मध्य प्रदेश नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पर छत्तीसगढ़ होगा आंसर मेरे हिसाब से. हाँ, मध्य प्रदेश भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कमेंट करके जरूर देना. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एट्रीब्यूट्स इज मेजर ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट? इज नॉट measure of human development. So consumer expenditure is not a measure of human development. Is not. Okay. So assertion and reason. So yeah, but the levels of urbanization, the advanced countries. So the level of urbanization in the advanced countries followed elevated S-shaped curve. So it's correct. And the levels of urbanization in India has followed a straight line. It's not correct. So only A is the correct, R is wrong. C is the correct. So which one of the following is the most suitable term to define a metropolitan region? Or the most suitable term to define metropolitan region? It is economic. Economic term. Most suitable term is economic. It is defined a metropolitan region. So formal not, functional not, it is economic term. Okay. And who among the following suggested the triad of mutual relationship among place, work and folk? So who among the following suggested the triad of mutual relationship among place, work and folk? It is ली कार्ब्यूसर. तो ली कार्ब्यूसर उन्होंने बोला है, सजेस्ट किया है ट्राइड ऑफ म्यूचुअल रिलेशनशिप among place, work and folk. इसके बारे में बोला है. Factors that contributed to minimization of regional imbalance. कौन सी जो contribute करते हैं minimization of regional imbalance को कम करते हैं in development are many. So which one of the following is the most relevant? कौन सी factors that contribute to minimization of regional imbalance को minimize करते हैं in development are many. Which one of the following is the most relevant? So strengthening. So answer is B. Strengthening forward and backward linkages of regional economics. स्ट्रेंथन करते हैं फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड लिंकेजेस को और रीजनल इकोनॉमिक्स को. तो यहाँ पर बी इज द करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पर मिनिमाइज करते हैं रीजनल इम्बेलेंस को. नेक्स्ट देखिए, which one of the following states is the leading one in terms of total fish catch? Kerala is the leading one of the total fish catch. Not West Bengal, not Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Which river out of the following is older than the Himalaya? Satluj. Satluj is older than Himalaya, not Ganga. So, which one of the following states experienced heavy snowfall during February 2005? Sikkim, heavy snowfall. Which of the following is correct? Arithmetic mean is a numerical value. It's correct. So arithmetic mean is a numerical value. Which of the following is the appropriate method of study of dispersion? It is standard deviation. Isochrone map shows line connecting equal travel time. Isochrone map shows line connecting equal travel time. अच्छा, next देखिए last question. अच्छा, Dasymetric map is an improved version of choropleth map as it effectively shows the following the homogeneity and rapid change. Dasymetric map is improved version of choropleth map as it effectively shows the following shows the homogeneity of the and rapid change. Morphological studies adopt which concept of space, relative and spatial organization is primarily based on spatial relations. Okay, so thank you.